Hello there everyone, welcome back to our fantastic channel. Today, we'll be diving into the captivating realm of epoxy, thoroughly examining its advantages and potential applications. So, let's jump right into it. Epoxy resin is an incredibly versatile substance that has seen a notable rise in popularity in recent years. This outstanding material is celebrated for its robust strength, incredible durability, and unparalleled adaptability. Epoxy can be employed in an extensive array of applications, from constructing magnificent structures to addressing various automotive repair needs. Additionally, it's a greatly preferred choice for a multitude of DIY projects, as it's easy to work with and guarantees a long-lasting finish. One of the cornerstone advantages of epoxy is its exceptional capacity to bond securely to an extensive array of surfaces encompassing metal, wood, and concrete. This extraordinary characteristic makes epoxy resin an ideal choice for rectifying cracks, filling voids, and sealing surfaces. Moreover, epoxy is exceptionally resistant to moisture, rendering it an ideal choice for waterproofing and impervious applications. So, there you have it, folks. Epoxy resin is an incredibly remarkable substance boasting a vast array of advantages and applications. We sincerely hope you found this video quite informative and helpful. Don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to receive even more exceptional content such as this one. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Another exceptional benefit of epoxy resin is its unyielding capability to withstand extreme temperatures. This characteristic makes epoxy a premier option for applications within the automotive industry, where it is employed to efficiently repair and reinforce high-performance engine components.